how to use naru to express to become.
何か手がかりになるものを持っていないか?
So in Japanese, we can use the verb naru to become with a noun, a na adjective, or an e adjective to express becoming that thing or becoming in that way. To do this, all you need to do is follow a noun or a na adjective with ni naru. And for e adjectives, you need to drop the last i and replace it with ku naru. So if you were to be expelled, or more literally to be become expelled, that would be taigaku ni naru.
こんなの学校にバレたら退学になるよ。
Or maybe a place has become very quiet, shizuka, well, shizuka ni naru. It becomes quiet.
相変わらず賑やかだな、ここは。
どうせ死んだら静かになるんだ。
Or the opposite, to get more lively or to get more healthy, genki ni naru.
大丈夫。ちょっと休めば元気になると思うから。
And as we can see here in Final Fantasy VII Remake, with e adjectives, we just drop that last e and replace it with ku naru. So ureshii, being happy, ureshiku naru, to become happy.
みんな強く生きてる。時々それ感じて嬉しくなるんだ。
Now, it doesn't have to be the dictionary form of the verb naru, it could also be conjugated, like ni natta, became, rather than become.
ヨナはずっと眠っていたの？物語のお姫様になったみたいね。
ずいぶん立派になったな。
その時は俺たちが必ず何とかする。
強くなったな。
僕は大きくなったらね、大きな船に乗るような立派な海の男になるんだ。
Or the polite form, ni narimashita, or ku narimashita.
子供は元気が一番ですね。見ているだけで私も元気になりますよ。
遅くなりました。仕事が片付かなくて。子供たちは？
さあ、これで邪魔者はいなくなりましたわ。始めましょう。
これは熱い試合になりそうだ。
So this is a pretty straightforward piece of grammar. Ni naru and ku naru are used with nouns, na adjectives, and e adjectives to express becoming that way. So that's a pretty important piece of grammar. I hope these examples help make it a little bit more clear for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying learning Japanese. Thanks so much, guys, for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, and come join us in the Game Genki Discord community to show your support for the channel, as well as meet everybody in the Game Genki Discord community, decide on voting for upcoming videos and all kinds of good stuff. Even just chat directly with me and everybody else in the community. It's just a really nice, chill place where people just enjoy learning Japanese. It's very much the opposite of a kind of elitist group, where the most important thing really is just to enjoy learning Japanese. I hope you guys are having fun. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys.